Altcoins. The place where memes and pump and dump schemes exist. Well, get your chastity belt ready to prevent yourself getting screwed as we take a dive into the best altcoins available.
I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want in life.
Okay, so now that we've reached the cesspool of scams and shady activity, it's time to actually sift through the bullshit and trash to find that golden nugget. Then we can YOLO all our money in hopes that we skyrocket to the moon. Okay, so the first coin we shall visit is Solana. Now this crypto is both a proof of stake and a proof of history coin. Now this is very unique, more on that soon. This coin is also considered to be a rival or a competitor for Ethereum, being able to handle smart contracts just like Ethereum does.
You underestimate my power! Don't try it!
One of the largest concerns facing crypto right now and its usability is the transactions per second. However, compared to Ethereum, Solana is quite well placed and has a lot of advantage over that, being able to handle 50,000 transactions per second, as opposed to Ethereum's whole 15 transactions per second. Now saying this, Ethereum 2.0 is promised to deliver 100,000 transactions per second, but obviously this remains to be seen. Now remember I told you about the proof of history protocol? No? Why does no one listen to me? Now this crypto is both a proof of stake and a proof of history coin. Now this is very unique. All caught up now? Good. Should probably get out of hell now. Ah, much better. Now one of the main issues with other cryptocurrencies is that none of them can agree on time. Each miner operates at a different time, they're in different time zones, all the nodes work at different times. Now Solana with its proof of history allows every block on the blockchain to be timestamped. By doing this, it is easy to prove when and where money came from, giving an added layer of security. But wait, there's more. Because these timestamps exist, it makes the transaction speed a lot quicker, hence the 50,000 transactions per second. Now another benefit of having fast transaction speed is that it reduces the fees, and everyone likes saving money.
Hello, I like money.
Another way to get free money is to click the Trading 212 link in the description, deposit £1 on that platform and you will receive a free share worth all the way up to €100. Okay, so now we're on the Coinbase website, we're just taking a look at Solana in the chart. So we've gone to all-time view, so you can see back all the way to April, there you go. So you can see the growth of this coin throughout the start. It remained flat, sort of growing a little bit up, and then it was when it hit July, August time, then it ramped up a lot. This is one of those hopes that you get into a coin early and then it skyrockets to the moon like Ethereum. This kind of is like Ethereum. If it goes to 2,000 you get in at this time, then it would be a very nice little reward for you. But again, it remains to be seen. Going down, you can look at the market cap of 52.4 billion, so quite large there. The trading volume has been up 34%, so it's at 3 billion last 24 hours of trading volume. The trading activity, 71% buy, 29% sell, and has a popularity rating of 4. So some very strong numbers for this crypto, and it's understandable why when you take a look at what it does and its competitive edge. So you can see the past performance. We've got Solana as 10,831% versus a market of 338%. Even this one's ridiculous, but this is just, it's crazy what crypto does. And you got an overview here, what you can read in the white paper and whatnot. So they're all good things to check out. Okay, so the next coin we're going to take a look at is Ripple. Now this coin is a bit different. It's not actually a token of value, it only exists to operate on its own platform. Kind of like how you have ETH for Ethereum. This crypto aims to operate like a currency transaction platform, where you can change one token into another. It aims to solve the issues with high fees and delayed transaction. Now this crypto is actually partnered with some quite big banks, so you've got Bank of America, Santander and American Express, with plenty more on the list. These places have recognised the importance and value that this token delivers, and it's quite substantial how so many places have backed it, giving it validity. And here we can see XRP's price. It says not supported on Coinbase. Now there's a few things with this coin. This is probably my least favorite out of the ones I've talked about so far. It has some problems with the SEC recently. If it gets past that, then maybe it can build up its reputation again. This was a promising coin at one point, but we shall see where it goes from here. We've gone to all view again, and we can see that it goes back to October 2014 area. And it just sort of remained flat, just really penny stock, and then it skyrocketed here. And it went to, I think it's £2 on, if I can get it. Ooh, there we go, £2.83. Then it plummeted back down, and then it just traded sideways, and it's on the upward trend a little bit now. But obviously it's got that problem with the SEC that 2020 in January that happened, so that remains to be seen. Market cap of 35.0 billion, trading volume 1.7 billion, which is down 10.1%. It says in light of SEC's action against Ripple Labs, trading in XRP has been suspended as of January 19, 2021. So that's the problem it has right now. Okay, and for our last coin we have Avalanche. Now this coin is quite special. This crypto is built on the proof of stake model and is designed to allow users to build their own decentralized applications and blockchains, which is huge. Now this crypto works on a token called AVAX. Now AVAX pays for the fees and other things, and it's just the token used to run it basically. Now this crypto is considered to be one of the fastest in the industry, with a throughput of 4,500 transactions per second, and with a transaction speed of only 2 seconds, this thing can really move. Now again, this crypto works with smart contracts, which are basically digital automated agreements and are one of the big driving factors behind crypto success recently. With unlimited potential and the applications that can be made out of these smart contracts, this crypto allows users to plot their own path to success basically. They can make all the new things on this platform, they can test them out, and this is why this crypto is so powerful. Alright, so now we're on Coinbase and we're having a look at Avalanche, called AVAX token. Now it says not tradable in your region, but obviously there's ways to get around that. They're not hard to do. Now we can see that the price graph, we've gone to the all view, so we can see back to July where it was £3.90 and going all the way up to now, and we're sitting at £90.65. So nice bit of growth there. Nice little return over that time as well, if you got on early. Gotta love crypto. Got a market cap of 18.9 billion with a trading volume of 940 million, which is up 12.77%. We've got trading activity, 82% buy, 18% sell, with a popularity rating of 9. Come down here, it says an overview. Avalanche describes itself as an open, programmable smart contracts platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. So we already know that this coin has a lot of good things going for it, and this is also backed up by the price growth. Now this isn't a stupid price, so you can get in early, and it'll be a very good one for you to get to. So in conclusion, Solana and Avalanche are my personal two favourites out of the three, and Ripple has some issues that it needs to deal with. All of these coins are at a good price where they're at now, and all of them could be a good investment if that is your risk tolerance and that is your perspective on the coin. Well, I hope you enjoyed and got some value out of this video. If you did, consider hitting the like button, subscribing, as it really helps out the channel, and as a reward, here's a cute picture of a seal. Check out all the links in the description, and I'll catch you in a bit. Peace out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.